Peters with SDI. This is my video review of Project 4. Today is December 15th, 2011. I'm going to talk about an aha moment I had with this project and how learning to code taught me about something other than code. In this project, I had to build a JavaScript library. I don't think I was successful though. I was supposed to follow the JS module pattern. I had trouble with that actually, because in my code, as soon as I attempted to turn it into a library, I ran into so many errors, and I wasn't able to figure that out on my own. And because of my work schedule, I work full-time job, and I'm also working on a client project, and I go to school full-time. Because of that, I was not able to make time to talk with my teacher or fellow students to get some help on this. So, no one else's fault but my own. But the aha moment I had with this project was it was pretty silly. When I was testing my JavaScript code in the browser, in Firefox, I was looking for console log messages for like a half an hour. None of the console messages were showing up as I expected. And it made no sense why they were not showing up all of a sudden. So I finally decided to shut down my computer and restart it, because I thought maybe the fact that I had so many background applications running was just making my computer run slow. And sure enough, I was correct. So in the future, if that ever happens again, I'm going to remember to not have so many background applications running at the same time, or if I have to, even just reboot my computer before I continue testing if I run into something like that again. The other question for this was, did learning to code teach me about something other than code? Yes, in a way, because the flowchart, when I was working on the flowchart during this project, just by looking at my flowchart, I was able to figure out where some of my functions were not working correctly. And before, in my past, I never really got into doing flowcharts, and now that I'm doing them for this project, I realize that I'm definitely more visual than I thought as far as learning goes and my thought process goes. It seems to work better when I have something visual to look at, like pictures rather than just code or just text, which surprised me. And this concludes my Project 4 video review. I just told you about an aha moment I had and how learning to code is teaching me about things other than code.